Babies rule, I'm a baby so I know firsthand that babies rule, babies rule. I even wrote a song about babies. Here's how it goes. I'm a baby and everybody loves me. I'm a baby and everybody loves me. 'Cause I'm so cute and I'm naked. 'Cause babies rule. And I know firsthand 'cause I'm a baby. I'm a baby and I'll blow you up. Ooh. Ah! My name is Soph and you'll do what I say. Ooh, ooh. My name is Soph and you'll do what I say. Ooh, ooh. Hey, let's do whatever that baby says. Yeah. I'm the ruler of the tri-state area and I'm only a baby. Hi, I'm Doofenshmirtz. Wait a second. That baby took over the tri-state area? I've been trying to take over the tri-state area for 10 years, and I'm a fully grown man. And now a baby does it with my song? That's just unfair. I mean, no fair. He used my song, and he's a baby, for God's sake. I mean, I should do this. My name is Doofenshmirtz. I should take over the tri-state area. I should have control. Not that lousy baby. Shut up, Doofenshmirtz. Yeah, shut up, Doofenshmirtz. Stay out of it, cat. Go get me a new pacifier. Okay. 5 minutes later, here's your pacifier. Thank you. My husband, what are you doing here? Why did you invite your friend over just to play with my stuffed gorilla, my baby doll, my cat, and that apple? What are you doing here? Hey, who are you looking at us? Ugh, movie watchers? Okay, show's over. Scram!